Guys, and welcome back to MS Like Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the AMD Radeon driver error code issue. And let's get straight into the video. So this is a issue concerning your drivers, and the best fix is going to be by updating the drivers, and you can do that by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to display adapters. From display adapters, you want to right click on your GPU and you want to hit update driver, and then you want to go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. And then now once that is done, that is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to a browser of your choice and just by going over to the AMD drivers website, and then you want to go ahead and just look for your specific drivers and you want to download that driver. Now that is basically it. Once you do either or of these fixes, I recommend restarting your PC as well, and you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.